Hey, and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you how you can build a simple time boxing or time blocking calendar in Notion and get more focused, improve your time management, and create a healthier life balance. And if you want to save time and get the complete solution right now, which looks like this, with the goals management, milestones, and planning for every day of the week, I will leave the link in the comments. So let's get started.